Man, I need to borrow your air compressor to blow off these grass clippings. Dude, my compressor's not working now. I had this extended drain valve on it, and it's leaking. You must have over-tightened it. I did no such thing. I got this a couple years ago, and it was fine until this spring, when I noticed it started leaking. Here, I'll show you what I found. There's a crack inside here. It starts at the end and goes all the way inside through the threaded portion, so that's where it was leaking. I figured I'd just replace the valve, but I didn't have any extra quarter-inch valves here. You can still get these kits on Amazon for $5. I did order one, but it's gonna take a few days to arrive. Man, I need to get these clippings cleaned off so I can start flipping steaks. Flipping. You know, this valve is only half bad. Only the back half of it is cracked. Maybe we can use a coupler and flip it around so it's pointing the other way. Make sure you do the ritual with that Teflon tape. There's definitely a ritual to applying Teflon tape. Basically, you need to start by wrapping it around the wrong way. Then when you realize you're doing it wrong, you have to redo it. But always reuse that original piece of tape. Don't tear off a new piece of tape. That's bad luck. So, I'm not sure what happened to cause this to leak. You over-tightened it. I did not over-tighten it. The valve comes pre-installed on the hose from the factory, so I didn't tighten it at all. If it had been cracked from the get-go, I'd have expected it to be leaking this whole time, but it only started leaking this spring. I think what happened was there was some residual water in the valve over the winter, and when it froze, it cracked the valve. But I completely drained the compressor before it got below freezing, so I don't know how any water could have been in there. You should be using propane to heat your shop in the winter. Yeah, that's on the list to do at some point. Here it is installed on the compressor. I don't like how close that coupling is to the valve, but as long as it doesn't leak, I'm going to leave it on there. I'll keep the new one from Amazon as a spare. They're only $5, so I still recommend them if you're tired of reaching up under the tank to drain it every time. Alright, seems to be holding air so far. Thanks everyone for watching. See you later. Bye.